Je m'appelle Deepika et bienvenue sur ma chaîne Apprendre français avec Deepika. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les accents au français. Les accents. Les accents au français, ça veut dire the accents in French. Alors, on y va. So, we are going to discuss about accents in French. In French language, when you see, you must have noticed some signs like this on French alphabets. Do you have ever thought why is it so? What are their use? So, they have some meaning. They have some purpose. So today we are going to discuss about that accents. These signs are known as accents in French. These signs make the French alphabets different from English alphabets. So there are 5 types of accents in French. Today we are going to focus on 2 accents, accent aigu and accent grave. First is accent aigu. Accent aigu. Accent aigu. You must have noticed on letter E, on alphabet E, there is a slash that is going from left to right direction. A slash on letter E from left to right direction. What is the use of this sign? This accent aigu changes the pronunciation of letter E. How? In French alphabet, we pronounce letter E as a. But when accent aigu comes over E, it becomes a. So accent aigu changes the pronunciation to a. To a. For example, you can see here, first is le bebe. So you can see on both E there is accent aigu. So it is pronounced as be. But if there is no accent aigu, it will be pronounced as b. Next is le café. You can see on E there is accent aigu, so it is pronounced as a. Le café. Okay. Next is parler. Parler means to speak. Parler. But if accent aigu is not E, then it will be pronounced as parle. L'été, which means summer. So now you can see that how from a accent pronunciation is properly changed on letter E. Accent aigu is applied only on letter E. So next accent is accent grave. So this is just opposite to accent aigu. There is also slash like accent aigu, but only direction is changed. This direction is from right to left. So this accent is used on letter a and u. And u. But this accent changes the pronunciation only of letter a. It doesn't changes the pronunciation of a and u. A and u pronunciation will be same as it was. For example, we can see vola. So a is pronounced as a only. Vola means hair. Next, oo. So now, if accent grave is used on letter a, so it changes the pronunciation from a to a. Like train. On E you can see accent grave is there, so it will be pronounced as train. Next, mère. Mère means mother. Mère. Le père means father. Père. A sound is coming. Père. So accent grave gives the pronunciation of a. Père. Fred, Fred, L, Fred. So you can see now exograph changes the pronunciation of alphabet E. E means from A to A. From A to A. So today we are going to see how exograph changes the meaning of words. For example, you can see some words here like oo. If oo is not having exograph, then oo is or. Or. But if oo is having exograph, then it will be where. Where. So you can see a word with a exograph has different meaning. Some more example you can see here. La. La. A word la without exograph is an article which is used with feminine words. But if there is exograph on letter la, then it will be there. There. Next, a. Letter A. If exograph is not on letter A, then it is a form of a var verb like L means he has or she has. But if exograph is there, then it is used in the form of preposition, means to or at. So like this you can see exograph changes the meaning of word and its pronunciation also. So I hope you all liked my video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Au revoir.